Hello and welcome. Today I'll show you how to carve this little oak leaf in oak wood just with a knife. First step, let's separate this main vein of the leaf from the right and the left side. If isn't enough, I repeat this step more than one time, especially in the singular part where I want to personalize the leaf, carving down details, leaving some details up and carving down like here in the middle. Isn't important if some details look ugly and broken, because once you get the shape, you can fix it carving slowly later and more delicately. The same thing here. Let's make this part more curved. Repeating the same process like before. And this is the main structure. Now it's going to be an interesting part where I'm carving the shape, making the right structure of the leaf, but still trying not to carve this side too much, because this is the part where the main vein is more inside the leaf. And the same I'm going to do on the another side, following the design structure. I'm going to carve some curved details of the leaf to make it more detailed and at the same time trying to make it look elegant. As you can see, before go to the next step, first I carved the shape to all the leaf. And now, after shaping part, there is refining of details. It's a more slow and delicate process. That's why I skipped that part, showing you already the left side completed. I'm usually doing this when I don't want to use the sandpaper, so that's why I'm cutting in more delicate and accurate way to make details cleaner but still maintaining the beauty of the wood after knife cutting. And using a support in this process you can carving more accurately. This is going to be a little pendant. I just need to cut it off on the back, and after some oil finishing it will be ready to wear as a necklace. And here's finished leaf. The first video of my how-to series. I hope it was helpful. Let me know if you'd like to see more of how-to videos. Thanks for watching and see you with the next project.